Welcome to our latest update of the Leica iCON field software, featuring exciting improvements and new capabilities to further enhance your efficiency on site. Let's explore what's new. With Leica iCON version 2025.11, maps are faster, smoother, and more responsive than ever. Zooming, panning, and rotating feel effortless even when working with large and complex design files. There is no need to split big data sets into smaller parts. You can keep everything in one file, reducing errors and saving valuable time while maintaining a simple and efficient workflow. This improvement comes from a completely new way of rendering graphics, optimizing data handling to deliver maximum performance. The result is a fluid experience that helps you stay productive and efficient, no matter the size of your project. In Leica iCON build version 2025.11, we've expanded iCON's functionality by adding layer manager handling for IFC lines. You can now manage grids and annotations more precisely and even display points directly on these line elements. This update gives you full control over how line objects behave in your workflow. With this improvement, you have a new way to add extra stakeout information to your IFC files in iCON. It helps you work more efficiently, stay accurate on site, and deliver results with confidence. In Leica iCON version 2025.11, to use the new feature, simply tap the map handler, select Explode Blocks, and all blocks in the file become selectable. This makes it easy to access individual geometry, such as small circles or points, without extra steps. This change solves a common issue where blocks imported with the default settings could not be selected. Now users no longer need to re-import files with different options just to be able to work with the elements contained in the blocks. Once exploded, you can work with every element immediately. Plus, when you are finished working with the blocks you need, this option can be turned off again to streamline your selection needs for non-block items. This improvement saves time, reduces confusion, and ensures a smoother workflow for Leica iCON users. The Leica iCON Target Snap feature allows you to exclude prisms used as measured control points when you want to search for your target. In this version, it just got easier to use. It now turns on automatically whenever you start working, helping you lock onto your prism pole quickly and reliably. During setups, it stays off to give you full control to be able to measure to your control points without additional steps. This change means you spend less time adjusting settings and more time focusing on your work. Searches on site become quicker and more efficient, helping you stay productive throughout the day. We've enhanced the Isolate tool with a semi-transparent view for hidden objects and introduced persistent selection. Persistent selection streamlines workflows by eliminating the need to reselect previously hidden or isolated items, making it easier to expand selections and refine views. The semi-transparent view ensures hidden objects are still visually accessible, offering better spatial context without clutter. This allows users to stay focused on visible elements while maintaining awareness of what's behind them. These improvements help users work more efficiently, especially when navigating complex models or coordinating design reviews. We've significantly improved the performance of the grid scan process across all three methods: rectangular precise grid, polygonal precise grid, and polygonal quick grid. This means faster, more reliable data collection for every type of grid scan you perform. In this video comparison, the total station on the left runs the previous software version, while the one on the right uses the new release. Notice how quickly the station on the right moves ahead. As the scan continues, the new version is already halfway up the wall, while the old version is still near the bottom. This demonstrates a significant performance boost. Grid scanning is now faster, more practical, and more efficient. In this short demo, the new version is already twice as fast. On a typical construction site, this translates into substantial time savings, smoother workflows, and more productivity. In this version, we've made a small yet powerful update to the walls and grid lines setup in the Leica iCON software. Now, when you start the setup method, the last target type you used is automatically recalled and activated. This change reflects how you work in the field and on your projects. Many of you prefer a different target type for this setup compared to the one you use for your layout tasks. and this update makes that transition smoother. This means fewer settings to adjust when positioning the instrument. You save time, reduce repetitive steps, and stay focused on getting your job done efficiently. Explore these and many more features and upgrades. Visit our Leica iCON software release page to learn more.